Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust focus on iPhone camera. And here's how it's done. Let's open the camera app. There are two ways to adjust the focus. First, you can simply tap on the object you want to focus on. For example, I can tap this object and the camera will focus there. Tap on the other objects and it shifts focus to this object. Now notice that as I move the phone, the focus automatically adjusts to whatever's in view. But what if you want to lock the focus in place? All you need to do is tap and hold on the subject you want to lock in focus. You'll see AE/AF lock appear on the screen. This means focus and exposure are now locked. Even if I move the camera around or the rug is no longer in the frame, it is still stay locked on the original spot. To remove the lock, just tap anywhere on the screen and it will go back to autofocus mode. And that's it. You are all set. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.